Need to print your Miro board for a presentation, documentation, or offline brainstorming? This video will guide you through exporting your Miro board as a PDF, covering essential features like scaling and tiling to ensure high-quality, printable outputs. We'll show you how to take your digital workspace into the physical world effectively. Remember that all Miro subscription tiers support basic PDF exports, with advanced options in paid plans. The first step in exporting a Miro board to PDF is accessing the Export menu. You can find this option in two main ways: through the board toolbar at the top, or by right-clicking anywhere on the board canvas. Once you select the Export option, Miro generates a static PDF snapshot of your board. This means the exported file captures the current state of your board exactly as it appears on screen, without any interactive elements. During the export process, you have the choice to export the entire board, or you can select specific frames or individual widgets. This gives you flexibility to export only the parts you need for your particular use case. To proceed with the export, you must have editing permissions on the board. This ensures that only authorized users can create PDF exports of collaborative content. The PDF export will capture all the key elements on your board, including sticky notes, shapes, images, and text. These elements are preserved in the static PDF format for easy sharing and printing. Scaling adjusts the zoom level or size during export to fit your Miro board to paper. You'll typically find options like Fit to Page, which automatically scales your board to A4 or letter size. There are also custom percentages like 50%, 100%, or 150% for precise control. An actual size provides a 1:1 pixel ratio for high-resolution printing. Scaling ensures your content fits standard paper sizes without distortion, making it ideal for posters or reports. Choose the option that best suits your needs based on the level of detail you want to preserve. For boards that exceed standard page dimensions, Miro automatically splits the export into tiled pages. This prevents content from being cropped off. You can usually choose the tile size, such as A4 or A3, and orientation like portrait or landscape. Each tile is numbered for easy reassembly after printing. This is especially useful for large canvases with multiple frames. Using tiles ensures nothing is missed from your export. First, open the Export menu by clicking the Export button in the Miro toolbar. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Save as PDF. Then choose your desired scale and tiling options. Options include Fit to Page, custom percentages, or actual size. If your board is large, enable tiling. If your board is large, enable tiling and select your desired tile size, such as A4 or A3, and choose portrait or landscape orientation. If you only want to print one frame, select that frame first, then select Export to PDF. Only that frame will be exported. Finally, click Export. Your PDF will be generated and ready to download. Remember to adjust the settings according to your specific needs. To ensure the best possible print quality, start with vector-based PDFs for crisp graphics. Vector graphics scale without losing quality, unlike raster images that can become pixelated. Higher DPI settings, up to 300 dots per inch, will yield sharper prints. However, this increases file sizes, so choose based on your printing needs. For large boards, experiment with different tile sizes to balance readability and page count. Options like A4 or A3 help distribute content efficiently. For quick exports of single sections, use the Copy as Image option and paste into a document. This provides fast access to specific board areas. Common issues can arise when exporting Miro boards to PDF. Some problems include rendering difficulties with complex elements and slow export times for large boards. Complex animations or embedded videos may not render perfectly in the PDF export. These dynamic elements can appear distorted or missing in the final document. Very large boards can take significant time to export, even with Miro's optimizations that aim for under 30 seconds for most boards. If you encounter these issues, try simplifying your board by removing complex elements or export in smaller sections to avoid problems. Also, ensure a stable internet connection for smooth exports and double-check that you have the required permissions to export the board. Miro is continuously improving its PDF export capabilities. Look for future enhancements like AI-enhanced exports for automatic content optimization and better integration with print services. Trends include AI advancements, sustainability focus, and partnerships with print services. Experts predict 40% of Miro users will adopt advanced export workflows by 2028. As hybrid work grows, printable exports will become more essential for collaboration. By mastering PDF export, scaling, and tiling, you can effectively bridge digital and physical realms.